Thanks to funding from Sun earlier today, single Samsung-backed cryptocurrency wallet made public an update indicating Shiba Inu can now be stored in its platform. This means users can make and participate in transactions involving an expensive currency. The connection between Shiba Inu, today, coins, and Samsung will be thoroughly discussed. Shiba Inu lovers, welcome to Shiba Inu land. If you want to learn more about Shiba, get more sheep news, and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe and hit the like button. Casual word, let's take a look at the chart and see where the price of Shiba is on October 7th. Before we get into the meat of the discussion, shall we? The sheep is still in a downtrend, and a huge breakout is overdue. Cheap trades in a range below its then 20-day moving averages, both of which represent important resistance. Fighting a losing battle to turn crucial resistance and support with the goal of retesting a $2 million high. Shiba Inu, one of the most popular crypto digital coins, has won the hearts of many people following a recent spike in price, or did, and trends indicate that the Shiba Inu price will eventually rise to the high hundreds of thousands of dollars. When buyers demonstrate their eagerness to drive the price up to new heights, Shiba Inu had a positive reaction despite the current market decline, as all claim prices in the cryptocurrency market attempt to rally from critical support points. The DS prices looking more stable, and a significant upswing of $100,000 appears likely. No one can predict. The started awesome what the said what the student the said this what waves would Lisa would Lisa would he did they said Lisa well Lisa we did sir Lisa said Lisa would and deny that the value of sheep continues to rise despite the fact that the bear market has proven to be more difficult for many arms than expected. There are encouraging signs of recovery in a large amount of data demonstrating that the sheep army is holding onto the price, following a retest of the prior week's low around $780 million. The price of sheep up has risen in recent weeks to $13 million, but has been rejected in an attempt to break higher and resume its upward trend. Let us return to the original topic of discussion. The first password is now compatible with the Shiba Inu free electronic wallet. Shiba Inu back when users can now benefit from the service of the first God-free cryptocurrency wallet. According to a statement released on November 16, the trend is coin can now be treated and held by wallet users since the neighborhood's inception. SHIB has attracted a very active, innovative, and supportive community, which is why we are overjoyed to be one of the first cryptocurrency wallets to support it. Passwords, C phrases, and private keys can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. The app's key is promoted as the generation of then-go wallet's 5-face biometrics promotional factor. The founders of the company believed that such a method could address existing issues with crypto storage. Since the tech beam of VC arm was an early and critical investor in Ango, the fact that the Israeli business successfully completed a series investment round that netted more than $20 billion in April of 2021. The token burn rate of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has increased by 3,000% this week, reaching 200 million, shipping just 24 hours at a time, when three whales are accumulating the cryptocurrency Kyber the Shiba. You keep an eye on fires. On Monday, September 12, users of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency transferred more than 200 million tokens to wallets, driving the permit up by 2,936.73%. As reported by Watching Gyro Shiba Inu, there's no one to turn to in order to get tokens removed from circulation. It appears that the majority of tokens were destroyed in a single transaction, possibly due to the involvement of a whale in the Shiba Army's token burning initiative. The price of cryptocurrency may rise if reduced supply meets rising demand. According to the three in blockchain, whales have been stocking up on Ether as well, with two whales purchasing 700 bills. She'd open a new wallet and transfer roughly $6.6 million, or 541 billion tokens, into it over the weekend for roughly $6.6 million. A mysterious Shiba Inu reportedly transferred 3 trillion tokens in a massive transaction late last week in an attempt to attend one of the Shiba army due to its enormity. Rivers behind the trade on the Nasdaq-listed cryptocurrency exchanges is still a mystery, as is the average amount of time investors on the exchange keep their holding. Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency inspired by the internet, have been stored on Coinbase for longer than the recommended 6 months before being sold or transferred to an external address. It is now 183 days longer than the average holding period for investors, and Bitcoin either we are now no, and so on. The Shiba Inu is the most popular cryptocurrency on the platform because the project has continued to function even after the departure of the project creator, developers, and the community. Investors are likely to hold their current positions. Shiba is one of the new popular solutions and sheep that are about to be released. The metaverse, a virtual world with a Shiba Inu theme, where users have begun purchasing plots of land and cheaper ream a layer to blockchain worship tokens, may be relocated to take advantage of lower transaction fees. Is also the first gameplay preview for the highly anticipated trading card game Shiba Eternity has been released after Keystone reported the first player test on iOS devices. Vietnam was deemed a success. In addition, E-first seen data reveals that in the previous 24 hours to significant amounts of Shiba Inu were traded for cheaply according to either Skin, the $418.6 billion transfer, or Shiba Play _ Twitter user 418,616,148,963 and 50,373,309,353 tokens occurred with bin an exchange, while the second large sum of mean cryptocurrency was transferred between and own electronic wallets. There have been rumors circulating that Shirley Demel was a sheep whale who invests millions of dollars in cryptocurrency, most notably SHIB. Please share your thoughts in the following discussion. For the time being, that's all the news I have. Not only that, but we feel it's important to emphasize that this is not a forum for financial advice, nor will we pressure you to invest in a specific business. Please understand that this is only a conduit for delivering instructional materials to your home, so think twice before investing.